In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Zoom meeting. If you're already inside a Zoom call and you want the name shown next to your video or profile icon to be updated, the good news is that Zoom makes this pretty simple. This is useful if you joined with the wrong name, if you want to show your full name more clearly, or if you need to adjust how other participants see you during the meeting. To begin, join the Zoom meeting as you normally would. Once you're inside the meeting room, look at the meeting controls, which are usually located along the bottom of the Zoom window on a computer. On some layouts, they may appear slightly differently, but you should still see the same main options. Next, click on Participants. This will open the Participants panel where you can see everyone currently in the meeting. Take a moment to find your own name in that list. If there are a lot of people in the meeting, you may need to scan through the panel carefully until you spot it. When you find your name, move your cursor over it. As you hover, additional options should appear. Click the More option, which is usually shown as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with actions related to your participant profile in that meeting. From that menu, select Rename. Zoom will then give you a field where you can type your new display name. Enter the name you want other people in the meeting to see. Make sure it's spelled correctly and formatted the way you want, especially if you're in a professional meeting, class, interview, or webinar. After entering the new display name, click Rename or Change to save it, depending on the version of Zoom you're using. Once you do that, your updated name should appear in the participants list right away, and other people in the meeting will see the change as well. If you don't see the rename option, keep in mind that some meeting hosts disable name changes during a session. In that case, the option may not be available until the host allows it. But if the setting is enabled, these steps should work smoothly. And that's all it takes to change your display name in a Zoom meeting. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in helping others identify you correctly during the call.